Hello everyone, welcome to the series of patterns. So in this pattern, if you can see, we have this kind of pattern, right? That is a kind of rhombus, we can say, but no issue. So in this pattern, we are given that we just have to print these asterisks over here. So, well, up to now, we know that if you have given these asterisks to print, we will first of all calculate the number of rows and the number of columns. The number of rows here is 9 again, and the number of column here is also 9 again. I'll just delete this value, the 9 value again. Okay, so for now I have just written up the values over here. That is the rows is also 9 and the column is also 9. Okay, now what we are supposed to be done, firstly I will calculate, let me just divide this whole pattern into 4 triangles. Okay, so the first half triangle will be this, of course, okay, the second half will be, let me tell you, the second half will be this triangle. Okay, the third half will be this triangle, and the fourth will be this triangle. So in short, I will be calculating these 4 equations. So let me just show you how we will calculate this. Let me just calculate the equation for this line for the first of all. So if I will calculate this line's equation, it will be, because it is a forward line, right? Therefore, it is a forward line, forward direction line. So I will be saying here j plus I. And j plus I will be equal to, calculate any equations point, whether it is 4 plus 0, 3 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 3 or 4 plus 0. So it will be equal to 4, right? So I can write it as j plus I is equal to 4, right? Now coming up to the next equation. If you want to equate it for this line, so if you want to calculate it for this line, I will say it as, it is a backward line, right? So I will be taking it as j minus I. So j minus I, calculate the values, calculate the points. It will be 1 minus 5 will be equal, 1 minus 5 equal to 4, 2 minus 6 equal to 4, 3 minus 7 equal to 4. But if you can notice, it is minus 4, right? So the second equation will be j minus I is equal to minus 4. Now coming back to this equation, this is again a backward equation, right? So it will be equal to j minus I. Let me calculate the values now. If I, j minus I, 5 minus 1 is 4, 6 minus 2 is 4. So I can say it is j minus I equal to 4. And the fourth equation, that is this equation, this will be j plus I, right? And j plus I will be equal to 6 plus 6 is 12, 5 plus 7 is 12, 4 plus 8 is 12. So that will be equal to j plus I is equal to 12. So these are the 4 equations which I have calculated. Let me just draw these equations into my code and let me check it out if they are correct. So j plus I equal to 4. Let me just check it initially. Correct. Because they don't have a point of commonality, so I can use OR over here. J minus I is equal to minus 4. So absolutely correct. Now again, OR j minus I equal to 4. Which line it will draw? Correct. And or j plus I is equal to 12. Let me just draw it again and execute it. So correct, we have got the correct answer. Hope you guys understand the concept. Thank you very much.